Oh my God. Men, please try to cook this soup for your wife or your girlfriend. If they are sick, cook it for them. If they are pregnant, cook it for them. When they are tired, cook it for them. And women, please cook it. How would you be cooking this for your husband? I would say he's looking outside. What is he looking outside for? Or he's eating chips at work. All he does is Indomie do. They know you're already in the shop. You can buy 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes of Indomie do. They cook this fantastic okra. Look, I promise you, if your husband eat this one, your boyfriend eat these twins.
Seriously? Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make okra and ogbono. I've made this video probably 3-4 years ago, and I made it differently. So that's like pouring in the pot, putting the oil and just stirring and stirring. But this time around I am going to be making it differently. I'm going to be cooking the meat, then pouring the ogbono. Of course, I'm going to be using a lot of assorted meat and assorted fish in this particular way. Feel free to use anything you want to use. You don't have to use everything I use really, but I just like to kind of make it really rich, if you get what I mean. Like, I like my food, I like it really rich. April 7th is my birthday. I'm going to be in Canada. I'm coming to Canada to see my sisters. They've been there for a while. So I'm just going to see my niece and my nephews and spend time with them. So if you are in Canada, you want to kind of meet up with me in Toronto, that's fine. I'll be more than happy to catch up with you if you are a subscriber, if you're a fan living in Toronto. And if you want to host me, why not? So I can come over and take over your kitchen for a few hours and just make some lovely food. And those food in your fridge or freezer, bring them out. All those things grandma have sent to you. They've sent you bokoto, they've sent you crayfish, they sent you catfish. Bring it out and cook it and enjoy it. So if you want to catch up with me, if you're in Toronto, why not? Let's meet up. But hey, stay tuned, watch this video, enjoy it, and let's talk about food. Take care and see you shortly. Make ogbono okra. I'm going to be using some ingredients here. I'm going to be using pepper. I'm going to be using mackerel and tilapia fish. I'm going to grill this tilapia fish because I don't like it to break in the soup. This is a dried one. This is a dried tilapia that I've grilled. I grilled it on charcoal, which is very good. I'm going to be using goat meat. As you can see, I've got goat meat here. I'm going to be using some goat meat as well. I'm going to be using some crayfish and some ogbono, of course. I've got stock fish here, which is a good. I'm going to be using grilled turkey, which is nice as well. I've got some king prawns here, so this has been peeled, the shell has been peeled. Of course, I'm going to be using some spinach as well, which is really nice there. Okra, I've got okra there. I'm also going to be using some palm oil, the lobster as well, because I believe lobster gives that flavor, which is going to be very good. I've said I'm going to use some pepper. Very importantly, I'm going to be using some seasoning. I'm going to be using this particular seasoning, which is good, with a bit of salt to make my ogbono. Thank you for watching and see you shortly. I've got my goat meat here, and this goat meat is with goat head as well. As you can see, I've got the ears there, so I'm going to be pouring that in a pot. As you can see, I'm just going to be pouring that in a pot. So that's my goat meat. And also I'm going to be adding 2 liters of water. So this is 1 liter. I'm also going to be adding another liter of water, which is fantastic. So yeah, I've got 2 liters of water here. Remember, I'm cooking this from the scratch. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt. I'm going to be adding 2 onions. I'll be adding my onions. 1 scotch bonnet. This is optional, you don't have to add this. So let's just say half a tablespoon of aromat no. And I'm just going to stir. Leave this to cook for 30 minutes, then I'm going to check. Right, this cooking has been going on for the past 30 minutes now. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be checking it just to see what is going on there. Wow, that is the goat head. You can see the nose. Let me just show you what it looks like if you've not seen a goat nose before in the pot. The points now, what we're going to be adding is very simple. We're going to be adding my stockfish. This is wicked, trust me, really nice. You're just gonna throw everything inside. Ooh, the flavor just goes in. Again, I'm gonna be adding my turkey. Can you see this is grilled turkey? It goes in there. I told you this is gonna be a very, very rich food. So I'm just gonna stir and stir and stir and stir. Also, I'm also gonna add my pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of pepper and stir. You can see it's just becoming thick now, which is fantastic. Wow, you can see the color now. It's just after adding the ogbono, and it's been cooking for like 10 minutes now, so which is good. So I've added the pepper. At this point, what we want to add is we want to add our crayfish. So 35 grams of crayfish, 200 grams of squid, mussels, and shrimps as well, to give it that flavor. Also, I'm just going to stir that. This point, I'm all going to add my dry fish. Remember my dry fish. Here I've got 130 grams of dry fish. Please remove the bone if you don't like the bone. I like bones, so don't worry about it. The bone itself has its own nutrients, which is good. So I'm also going to add my iru. So you need 1 tablespoon. As you can see, 1 tablespoon of iru is enough. You don't want it to be too overpowering in your soup. It's been cooking for 20 minutes, so I'm just going to stir. At this point, I'm going to add my lobster. So I'm just going to add some of this lobster in there, just throw everything in there. Normally, if you don't like the head, you can remove it. Like me, I'm going to just kind of remove the head. Some people eat this, some people don't like it, but you know, there's some kind of lovely, you know, fish there that you can also eat. So I'm going to remove the intestine. This thing can be a bit slimy, you might not like it. I take it out. Okay, so look at that. Just have a look. So I'm just going to throw my lobster into that as well. Prawns as well. As you can see, I've got my king prawns. I'm also going to be adding my king prawns into the soup, which is lovely. Right, I'm also going to be adding my grilled mackerel. Look at this. This is so beautiful, isn't it? So nice. I'm just going to add that to the soup. And I'm then going to stir it slowly, because oh god, this is nice. Now I want my lobster to be cooked, so I'm just going to press that down. Remember, the okra is still coming in. At this point, you might want to taste for the seasoning to make sure that your seasoning is right. Seasoning, if it's okay. Remember, I've added locust beans as well. Fantastic. So I'm going to have half a teaspoon. I'm going to have half a teaspoon of my crayfish seasoning. Gives it that flavor, that crayfish flavor, which is nice. Great. So everything cooking in, looking nice, going in looking nice. I love it. I've got 450 grams of okra. Now you might want to grate it. I use the fruit processor. It's quite quicker and simple to use. As you can see, my okra to that slowly. And my spinach. So I've got some spinach here. I'm just gonna add some spinach as well, just to top it up. And you might be asking how many. That's just 100 grams really, so it's not really 100 grams for spinach and 450 grams of my okra. At this point, I'm just gonna let the okra and everything to cook for like 5 minutes, and that's it. Bingo. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this food. Everything is cooked, everything looks nice. This is ogbono okra, or okro-Ogbono. Oh my god, men, please try to cook this soup for your wife or your girlfriend. If they are sick, cook it for them. If they are pregnant, cook it for them. When they are tired, cook it for them. And women, please cook it. How would you be cooking this for your husband and I will say he's looking outside? What is he looking outside for? Eh? Or he's eating chips at work. All he does is Indomie noodle, Indomie noodle, Indomie noodle. They know you already in the shop. You can buy 4 boxes, 5 boxes, 6 boxes of Indomie noodle. Kilo day. Cook this fantastic okra. Look, I promise you, if your husband eat this one, your boyfriend eat it, it's twins. Bah. If you cannot cook this soup as you are looking at it, all you just do is to look and enjoy watching it. There's a problem. There is a problem. My advice for you is visit your GP. If all you do is to sit down and watch my video without trying to cook it in the kitchen, there is a problem. There is a serious problem. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I want to help myself now. Alright, thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you must have enjoyed watching it. You can see how I made it. It's different from my old video. I'm going to leave a link below if you want to kind of watch that particular video as well. This time I'm adding okra. The other one does not have okra. Of course, different style as well. Again, what I'm trying to do is to make it easy to make Nigerian food. People say it's complicated, and you know, we're trying. To be honest, we have a lot of ingredients in Nigeria. We have a lot of way we cook it. In fact, I've read some comments that I just laugh. The way your grandma does it or the way somebody else is taught in the village is different from the way me I would cook my own. And the way you cook your own is your cooking. Enjoy it. I'm enjoying my own, you know, so please just enjoy it. This one I have okra. Some people are still going to complain, that's not how to make it. You pour the oil first, you now pour the ogbono, you now stir, you now put small water or put this or put that. Hey, enjoy it. Cook it. At the end of the day, it's going in the plate, it's going to your stomach. Enjoy. My fans, I want to say a very big thank you for staying tuned, for holding on, for still waiting for my videos. I know I've not been so regular with my videos, and I do apologize for that. And for those who really like me, I'm saying a very big thank you for not leaving. Stay tuned to my channel. You know, I'm going to try. I can't promise. I don't want to I'm going to try. I'm going to be honest. I really want to make these videos and get them out to you, to show the world, to teach people. I am going to try. It's not easy. I'm the one editing. I'll take the video, I'll edit, I'll now wait for it to upload to YouTube. It's very long rendering and things like that. So, but I would try. I am honest. I will try to keep up with my videos, and I won't let you down. I'll try. I'll try to keep up with my videos. Right. So to all my fans, I want to say a big thank you. A lot of you have actually emailed me and saying they're expecting more videos from me. Yes, you know, I'm just like you, to be honest. Work, you know what it takes to pay bills in London, to work, and at the end of the day get home tired and just sit down there. Sometimes I just sleep on the sofa, I just sleep off. I have the plan. I wish to do the video and put it on YouTube and edit, but body will just make me tired, you know. But hey, don't worry, I will try. I don't want to promise, but I will try to be a good boy to all of you. Good boy to all of you. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for being with me over the years. For all my subscribers, thank you for staying with me, and yeah, please stay tuned and God bless.